It doesn't matter. Go, Kronii.
What?
Go.
Where am I supposed to go? Do I drive into the ocean? What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Let me check. Where is it? Where's the goal? Oh, you need to retreat. Yeah. Whoa. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
Great.
Let's go.
Yes, you.
You didn't tell me how far.
It's so far, but it's the watermelon. It's the watermelon. Okay. I'm
Okay.
gonna get rid of the watermelon.
Okay, let me know when it's good.
Okay.
Can I
Keep
go?
going. Yes, keep going. What?
What? Something just
Let's
hit me?
go.
An epiphany? It was a giant rock?
I didn't see it, guys. I don't know. Okay. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna go at full speed.
All good. Yes. Stop. Ooh, the giant watermelon is coming. Turn left.
It won't turn. It won't turn.
I don't know if I can hold the watermelon. Okay, I'll try to protect the car with what? Ah! Oh no, don't you dare! Go watermelon!
Oh! You know, could you drive?
No.
I can't. I can't
No,
do it. I don't
no.
think I can do this.
No, you can.
No.
I'll protect you. No!
How do you protect me from this?
No.
Oh, how do you protect me from
Wait.
Drive, to be fair.
It's okay.
Go.
You know?
Yes,
I'm trying.
go.
I'm trying.
It's okay. This game is
Okay.
just hard. Okay, I stopped the watermelon.
Okay. Why won't it go backwards? Oh, yeah, because reverse.
Okay, you can reverse.
Oh, it won't go.
Why?
I don't know.
But you're doing great. It's okay. Just like
No,
that and to the left and
no,
straight.
wait,
Yeah. Okay.
What?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, go.
Okay. One thing I'm really good at is going in reverse and stopping at the right time.
Okay. Watermelon, stop.
Oh.
Okay.
Hop.
You can still reverse a bit. Yep. Doing good. All clear. Yes. So good. Yes. Nice. Okay. I'll get in the car now. Can I get in the back seat?
Damn. This is hard.
Okay.
Let's go.
It was really difficult. Damn. And then I brake right around now.
The steering is just super hard, guys. It's so hard to control.
It is. Oh. What?
It's okay. Let's go.
What
Let's
happened?
go.
I don't know. The car crashed into me.
Oh. Okay. I'll just wait for you to get in, and then we'll try it again. Yeah.
Oh no! Watermelon! Okay, restart.
That's my life.
Yeah.
Lived.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go!
I hope you live with Survivor's Guild.
Ooh! Oh, okay, stop right there, watermelon, 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 watermelon!
I don't think it's exactly stopping.
Watermelon!
Okay, are you done? Do you wanna get in or no? Not
I'll
yet?
try. Oh, okay. I'll get in now. Hold on. What? Can I get in from here? Wait, can I get in? What? Done.
Okay, so now we are gently
Take your time. It's okay. You're doing great. Yep. Yep. Nice. Super good. Yep. Okay, park. Let's go.
Oh,